Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you people are good. In the previous video we have studied about polynomials, okay, and what are polynomials, how they are related to our daily life, where we are applying the concept of polynomials. And apart from all these things, we have studied about what is the degree of the polynomial, coefficient, constant, polynomial in one variable, polynomial in two variables and all. So today we are going to study about classification of polynomials. So the classification of polynomials is based on terms and degree. Today we are going to study about classification of polynomials on terms. Okay. Classification of polynomials. What are polynomials? Fine. Classification of polynomials based on terms. So polynomials are nothing but a sum of finite number of terms which are in the form of ax to the power of n, where n is a whole number. Okay. So terms are nothing but which are being added or subtracted, that are called as terms. So polynomial, if a polynomial is having only one term, then what we call such type of polynomials. So such type of polynomials are called as monomial if it is having only one term. Let's see. Mono. In the chemistry also maybe you have heard the word mono, di, tri. The meaning of mono is nothing but single. Monomial. The meaning of mono is one and this nomial is nothing but terms. So monomial means which is having one term. A polynomial with one term . A polynomial with one term is called it as monomial. Example of this polynomial is 4x square y. So this is complete one polynomial. The coefficient what I said you in the previous class, the number which is coming along with the variable, that is called it as coefficient. So what are the variable terms here? Yes, exactly, x square y is a variable. Along with this, what is the number coming? 4. So 4 is called the coefficient. And how many variables do it have? It has two variables, that is x and y. So this is also called as a polynomial in two variables and the variables are x, y. Now what is the degree? Degree is nothing but the highest power of the polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. So here much of the people will commit the mistake in finding the degree of such type of polynomials. Okay. Suppose if I will written here minus 5x square. This is also one polynomial with one term, okay, and it is having only one variable, that is x, and the power is 2. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. But here you are having two variables. So most of the people will say the degree of this such type of polynomials is 2. It is wrong. How we are going to calculate the degree of such type of polynomials? You need to see the variables, how many are there, and you need to add the powers of all those variables. So here the degree power is 2 and here there is no power. Whenever there is no power, we need to consider the power as 1. So here the power is 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. So the degree of this complete polynomial is 3. Hopefully it is clear to you people. Okay, this is one of the example of monomial. This is complete from here to here, it is one polynomial and it is having only one term. So this is called polynomial with one term is called as monomial. I will write few more examples. 6l square m, etc. Now next polynomial. If a polynomial have two terms, what we call such type of polynomials if it is having two terms? So 2 is nothing but I said you it is called it as bi, okay, binomial. The meaning of bi is 2 and nomials is nothing but they are the terms. So binomial means two terms. A polynomial with two terms is called as binomial. Binomial. The meaning of bi is 2 and nomial is nothing but terms. So 2 terms. A polynomial with 2 terms. Example, 4x square minus 8. Okay, this is completely one polynomial. Here you are observing very clearly this is one term and this one is another term. Altogether in that polynomial we found that there are 2 terms. So a polynomial which is having 2 terms are called as binomial. Now what is the degree of this polynomial? Exactly, the degree of this polynomial is 2. Why? Because we found that the power of this polynomial is 2 and that too it is the highest power. The highest power is nothing but degree. So here the degree of this polynomial is 2. What is the constant term present here? Yes, exactly, minus 8 is the constant. The variable is x and the coefficient is of x square is 4. Hopefully all the terms are clear to you. Now one more term, 11 L square m minus 2 m n. This is one more example of binomial. Again you found that here 2 terms are there. This is one term and this one is another term. But the variables are different here. Okay, L, m, m, n. So how many altogether variables? 3 variables are there, L, m, n. So this is called a polynomial with 3 variables. Okay, a polynomial in 3 variables. And what is the coefficient of L square m? The coefficient of this L square m is 11 and the coefficient of mn is minus 2. And when we are talking about the degree is nothing but highest power, as I said you. So we can't say the power of this completely term is 1 because here the power is 1, here the power is 1. Whatever the variables are there, you need to add the powers of complete that term of that variables. Okay, so 1 plus 1, here you will get power as 2. Here also in this complete term you need to add the powers of the variables. So here you are having 2 as the power of L and 1 as the power of m. So 2 plus 1 you will get 3. So here you are having 3 and here you are having the power as 2. So what is the highest power? 3. So 3 is called the degree of this polynomial. Okay, so these are the few examples of binomial. Now not only the classification of polynomials based on terms, simultaneously we are recapitulating the concept of degree, coefficient, constant, variable and polynomial in 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable. Okay, that is also I am recapitulating simultaneously to you people. So the next one is trinomial. What is trinomial? The meaning of tri is nothing but 3. 3 and nomials again they are nothing but they are terms. So trinomial, 3 terms, a polynomial with 3 terms. A polynomial with 3 terms is called as trinomial. Examples we will see. Minus 4 x cube plus 8 x square plus 8. Okay, so this is the complete one polynomial and in this you are finding this is the one term, this is the second term and this one is the third term. Altogether there are 3 terms. Now can you say me what is the constant? Yes, exactly, the number which is not having any variable, that is called it as constant. So here we are finding the number without variable is 8. So 8 is a constant. Now coefficient of x square. Coefficient, the number which comes along with variable. So the coefficient of x square is 8. The coefficient of x cube is minus 4. Now we have recapitulated the concept here, constant, variable, coefficient. Now this polynomial is in how many variables? You are finding that you are observing here in this complete polynomial we are having only one variable, that is x. So this is called a polynomial in one variable because only one variable is there in this complete polynomial. Now next one is the degree. Degree is nothing but the highest power. Constant, there is no power for the constant and for here it is 2 and this one is 3. When we are comparing the powers 3 and 2, 3 is the highest power. So 3 is called as the degree of the polynomial. Okay. So altogether based on the terms it is a trinomial because it has 3 terms. One more example I will write. 6y to the power of 5 minus 8z square plus 6. Okay. Again we are finding here we are having 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. 3 terms. No doubt here the degree is different, variables are also different, coefficient, constant, everything is different. But we are least bothered about all those things. Just we need to concentrate on how many terms are present. That's it. Based on the terms only we are classifying which type of polynomial that is. Okay. So as we observed here, we found that here we are having 3 terms in this complete polynomial. So this is called trinomial. A polynomial with 3 terms is called as trinomial. Then what we call the polynomial which is having 4 terms, 5 terms, 6 terms, so on. So any polynomial which is having more than 3 terms, that type of polynomials are called as multinomial. Okay. So next we are going to study about multinomial. Multinomial. So the meaning of multi is nothing but many. Again nomial, terms. Multinomial. So many terms. So you may be heard this word in our daily life also. We are using this word in our school, in our daily activities. Doctors will also prescribe multivitamin tablet. We are having different types of vitamins, vitamin A, B, C, D, so on. A tablet which is having all these vitamins, that is called as multivitamin tablets. So we can say in our family also we can heard that word, this girl is multi-talented, that teacher is multitasking teacher, so on. These are the examples where we are using the word multi. The meaning of multi is nothing but many. So a polynomial which is having many terms or a polynomial which is having more than 3 terms, that is called it as multinomial. Okay. So a polynomial with more than 3 terms. More than 3 terms means it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. So a polynomial with more than 3 terms is defined as multinomial polynomial. Example. So just count the terms. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Overall only one variable is there, that is z. So this is called polynomial in one variable, and 4 terms we are having. 4 means which is more than 3. So 4 terms means more than 3, that's what we are calling that is a multinomial polynomial. And when we are talking about constant, here the number which is not having any variable is 4. So 4 is the constant, and power degree is nothing but highest power. When you are observing here, the highest power is 3, 5, 6. When you are comparing this one, 6 is the greater one. So 6 is called as the degree of this polynomial. Okay. One more example. 4l square 8m minus 3n plus 2z minus 6. Now just count the number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is again more than 3. So that is also come under multinomial. So today we have discussed about classification of polynomials based on terms. Okay, classification of polynomials based on terms. Terms are nothing but which are being added or subtracted. That is called it as terms. So monomial, mono is nothing but the meaning of mono is single. So and nomial is nothing but term, one term. A polynomial with one term is called as monomial. A polynomial with 2 terms is called binomial. A polynomial with 3 terms is a trinomial. A polynomial with more than 3 terms is defined as multinomial. And today we have studied about, again we have recapitulated all the concept in our previous class what we have studied, that is constant, variable, coefficient, degree, polynomial in 1 variable, polynomial in 2 variable, 3 variable, etc. Okay. So inshallah in the next video we are going to study about the classification of polynomial based on degree. So be thorough with this concept. Inshallah we'll meet in the next video. Jazakallahu khair. Thank you.